The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Steuben County, Northeastern Allen County, Delaware Kalb County, Defiance County, Northwestern Paulding County, Williams County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hamilton to near Auburn to near St. Joe, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Defiance, Auburn, Bryan, Garrett, Montpelier, Hicksville, Butler, Waterloo, Edgerton, West Unity, Hamilton, Stryker, Grabill, Edon, St. Joe, Holiday City, Edgerton in Williams County, West Jefferson, Leo Cedarville, and Pulaski. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 325 and 341. Interstate 80 in Ohio between mile markers 9 and 21.